Amazon rainforest is a land of relentless life, home to jaguars, vibrant parrots, and poison dart frogs. Beneath its murky waters, the giant anaconda thrives in stealth and power. Join us on The Strong as we explore the hidden wonders of the Amazon and its vital role in our planet's survival. Anaconda, the silent predator of the Amazon. The anaconda, a member of the Eunectes genus, is undeniably one of the most awe-inspiring and feared reptiles on Earth. Native to the rainforests, wetlands, and swamps of South America, particularly the Amazon basin, the anaconda's sheer size, strength, and extraordinary hunting methods have made it a legendary creature, both in scientific circles and popular media. Known for its ability to ambush and overpower prey, it is considered one of the top predators of its habitat, capable of taking down animals much larger than itself. Physical characteristics and adaptations. Anacondas are not only among the largest snakes in the world, but also the heaviest. Some individuals can grow up to 9 meters in length and weigh over 250 kilograms, which gives them a commanding presence in the Amazon ecosystem. Unlike other snakes, anacondas have a thick, muscular body that's optimized for power rather than speed. This powerful body helps them constrict their prey with immense strength, and their size allows them to capture large animals such as capybaras, deer, and even caimans or jaguars. One of the most remarkable adaptations of the anaconda is its aquatic lifestyle. Unlike most land-dwelling snakes, the anaconda spends a significant amount of its time in water, making it a highly effective predator in this environment. The snake's dense, muscular body allows it to move with surprising stealth and agility in the water. Though it moves much more slowly on land, anacondas have specialized adaptations for an aquatic life. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned on top of their head, allowing them to remain almost fully submerged while still being able to see and breathe. This gives them an excellent vantage point to spot prey, while their body remains mostly hidden beneath the surface. The skin of an anaconda is another key feature that aids in its survival. The pattern of dark green and brown scales covering its body provides near-perfect camouflage in the muddy, algae-filled waters of the Amazon. This coloration helps the snake blend into its environment, making it nearly impossible for prey to detect its presence. The scale patterns not only help the anaconda hide from potential threats, but also make it harder for prey to notice the predator lying in wait. This camouflage is especially effective in the low-light conditions often found in the rainforest. With the thick canopy blocking much of the sunlight, the murky waters and dense foliage create an environment where visibility is limited. The anaconda takes full advantage of this, lurking patiently for hours, motionless in the water, waiting for unsuspecting prey to come too close. Hunting strategy and efficiency. The anaconda's ability to remain undetected for long periods of time in such a complex environment is key to its success as a predator. It uses its powerful muscles to strike with lightning speed once an opportunity arises. The anaconda's method of hunting is not one of pursuit, but rather ambush. Using its long, flexible body, the snake can coil around its prey with extreme precision, applying constricting pressure until the victim suffocates. Once the prey is incapacitated, the anaconda uses its highly flexible jaw to swallow it whole. This is a fascinating adaptation, as anacondas have jaws that can stretch significantly, enabling them to consume animals much larger than their head. This trait allows them to take on massive prey like deer, capybaras, or large fish, which would be too large for most other snakes to consume. After a large meal, An anaconda can go weeks or even months without eating, as it can take a considerable amount of time to digest such a large meal. Reproductive strategy. The reproductive habits of anacondas are also noteworthy. During the dry season, female anacondas release pheromones that attract males, leading to mating. Males often form a breeding ball, with multiple males competing for the attention of a single female. After mating, the female carries the fertilized eggs internally for 6 to 7 months before giving birth to live young. Unlike most reptiles, anacondas do not lay eggs, but give birth to as many as 40 live offspring in a single litter. These young anacondas are fully independent at birth and must fend for themselves in a perilous world, with predators such as birds of prey and large fish posing a significant threat. Ecological importance. Anacondas play a crucial role in the ecosystem of the Amazon. As apex predators, they help maintain the balance of their environment by controlling populations of large prey, such as capybaras and other mammals. By keeping the numbers of these herbivores in check, the anaconda prevents overgrazing, which could otherwise damage the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. This role as a predator is vital for maintaining the health of the waterways and the species diversity in the Amazon basin. Feeding habits and hunting techniques. Anacondas are non-venomous constrictors, relying on sheer physical strength to overpower their prey. While they are opportunistic hunters, they tend to target larger animals, including capybaras, peccaries, and even caimans and jaguars. Their hunting strategy typically involves ambushing prey near the water's edge, where the snake uses its prehensile body to coil around the victim and squeeze tightly, cutting off the animal's ability to breathe. The strangulation process is slow and deliberate, ensuring that the prey suffocates completely before being swallowed. Once the prey is incapacitated, the anaconda slowly unhinges its jaw, a remarkable feature that allows it to consume prey larger than its head. It then swallows the victim whole, often taking several hours to complete the task. After a large meal, an anaconda may go weeks without needing to feed again, as its metabolism slows down significantly. Despite its intimidating size and strength, the anaconda does not constantly seek out massive prey. It can also hunt smaller animals, such as fish and amphibians, that are abundant in the Amazon's waterways. Reproductive behavior and life cycle. The reproductive habits of the anaconda are equally fascinating and involve a series of complex behaviors. During the mating season, which coincides with the dry season, female anacondas release pheromones to attract male suitors. A single female may attract multiple males, leading to a unique behavior known as a breeding ball. In these situations, multiple males will coil around the female, competing for the chance to mate with her. Once mating occurs, the female carries the fertilized eggs internally, where the embryos develop for around 6 to 7 months. Unlike most reptiles, anacondas give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. This adaptation is likely due to the humid, aquatic environment in which they live, where eggs may be less likely to survive. A single birth can result in as many as 40 baby anacondas, which are born fully developed and capable of swimming almost immediately. The newborns, although independent from birth, face many challenges in their early life. While they are born with sharp instincts for survival, they must quickly learn how to avoid larger predators, such as birds of prey, large fish, and even adult anacondas that may view them as competition. Their rapid growth rate allows them to mature quickly, making them more formidable as they reach adulthood. Anaconda in ecosystem and conservation status. Despite being a solitary, secretive animal, the anaconda plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. As an apex predator, it helps control populations of a wide variety of species, from small mammals to larger predators. By regulating prey species, the anaconda helps to maintain balance within the food chain, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the continued health of the ecosystem. However, like many species in the Amazon, the anaconda is facing threats from habitat destruction, particularly due to deforestation, pollution, and the encroachment of human activity. Climate change also poses risks to the anaconda's habitat, altering water levels and temperatures in ways that may affect the snake's ability to hunt and reproduce effectively. While anacondas are not currently listed as endangered, their populations are still vulnerable due to these environmental pressures. Efforts to conserve the Amazon's biodiversity are crucial in ensuring that the anaconda and many other species continue to thrive in this vital ecosystem. Protected areas, wildlife corridors, and stronger environmental policies are needed to mitigate the impact of human activity on these habitats. Amazon parrot, the intelligent survivor of the rainforest. The Amazon parrot, with its dazzling array of colors, is one of the most striking and intelligent bird species found in the rainforests of South America. Known for their vibrant plumage, which comes in shades of green, blue, red, and yellow, these parrots are not only a visual spectacle, but also a testament to nature's ingenuity. These birds belong to the Amazona genus, and they have adapted to thrive in the harsh and competitive environment of the Amazon rainforest. Physical characteristics and behavior. Amazon parrots are medium to large-sized birds, characterized by their strong, curved beaks that are perfectly suited for cracking nuts, seeds, and fruits, the core of their diet. These beaks allow them to easily break open hard shells and access the nutritious seeds inside, which are often difficult for other species to obtain. Their robust bodies and strong wings help them navigate the dense forest canopy, where they spend much of their time foraging for food and avoiding predators. The striking colors of the Amazon parrot are more than just an aesthetic feature. They play an important role in the bird's survival. While their vibrant feathers are attention-grabbing, they also provide camouflage among the lush greenery of the rainforest. The mix of greens and browns in their feathers helps them blend into the dense foliage, offering protection against predators while they rest or forage. Amazon parrots are also known for their loud, distinctive calls that echo through the forest. These calls are one of the first signs of their presence in the area, often heard as they communicate within their flock. These vocalizations vary from sharp warning calls to soft, melodious chirps and serve multiple purposes. They help the parrots communicate with one another, keep track of flock members, and alert others to the presence of predators. The calls of the Amazon parrot are vital to maintaining social structure and ensuring the safety of the group. Social structure and intelligence. One of the most fascinating aspects of Amazon parrots is their highly social nature. These parrots thrive in large, dynamic flocks that can range in size from a few dozen to over 100 individuals. The social bonds within the flock provide several benefits, including mutual protection from predators and the opportunity for social interaction, which is crucial for their well-being. The safety of numbers means that predators, such as hawks or large snakes, have a much harder time attacking the group. The vocalizations within the flock are complex, with parrots using different calls for different situations. From warning calls to mating calls, these parrots communicate in a highly organized and strategic manner. Their calls serve as a system of alert signals, helping to coordinate activities within the flock. Furthermore, the social nature of Amazon parrots extends beyond their calls. They are often seen engaging in grooming behaviors, forming strong bonds with flockmates, and even demonstrating behaviors that hint at cooperative problem-solving. Amazon parrots are also renowned for their extraordinary intelligence. Their ability to mimic human speech has made them one of the most popular pet birds in the world. These parrots are capable of learning a wide range of sounds and can mimic voices, mechanical noises, and the calls of other animals with incredible accuracy. In captivity, they are often trained to repeat words or phrases, showcasing their ability to understand and imitate language. In the wild, this intelligence serves a critical role. Amazon parrots use their problem-solving skills to adapt to the challenging conditions of the rainforest. Whether it's finding food, avoiding predators, or navigating the complex social structures of their flocks. Their intelligence also aids them in survival, as they are quick to learn from their environment and adjust their behavior accordingly. Feeding habits and diet. Amazon parrots are primarily herbivores, feeding on a wide variety of fruits, nuts, seeds, and flowers. Their diet is rich in nutrients that support their high energy levels, necessary for the active lifestyle they lead. The parrots use their powerful beaks to break open hard-shelled seeds and nuts, and their ability to find and extract these food sources in the dense rainforest makes them highly skilled foragers. In addition to fruits and seeds, Amazon parrots also play an important role in seed dispersal. As they move through the rainforest, feeding on fruits, they help spread the seeds of various pethy plants, facilitating plant growth and regeneration in the ecosystem. This mutual relationship between the parrots and the plant life of the rainforest is essential for maintaining the biodiversity of the region. Unique adaptations for survival. One of the most fascinating adaptations of Amazon parrots is their ability to detoxify certain foods in their diet. Their primary diet consists of fruits, seeds, nuts, and flowers, some of which can contain toxic substances. To counteract the toxins in these foods, Amazon parrots have developed a unique behavior. They consume mineral-rich clay from riverbanks or clay licks. This clay helps neutralize the toxins in their diet and provides them with essential minerals that are otherwise scarce in their food sources. The clay consumption is not just an act of survival, it's a remarkable example of behavioral adaptation. The parrots often visit the same clay licks repeatedly, and it's thought that this ritual is passed down through generations. The clay helps absorb and detoxify harmful compounds, like alkaloids, found in certain seeds, making them more digestible for the birds. This unique relationship with the environment showcases the Amazon parrot's deep connection to the rainforest and its survival strategies. Threats to the Amazon parrot. Despite their remarkable adaptability, Amazon parrots face significant challenges in the modern world. The most pressing threat to their populations is habitat loss due to deforestation. The Amazon rainforest, home to millions of species, is being increasingly cleared for agriculture, logging, and urban development. As the parrots lose their natural habitat, they are forced to compete for dwindling resources, making it harder for them to thrive. In addition to habitat loss, Amazon parrots are heavily impacted by the illegal pet trade. Due to their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech, they are often captured and sold on the black market as exotic pets. This trade not only threatens wild populations, but also causes significant trauma to the birds, as they are often taken from their natural environment and subjected to harsh conditions. The demand for these parrots as pets has led to a sharp decline in their numbers, putting some species at risk of extinction. Conservation efforts and protection. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect the Amazon parrot and its habitat, Several organizations are focused on preserving the rainforest by advocating for sustainable land use practices, reforestation efforts, and legal protections against illegal logging and deforestation. Additionally, there have been increased efforts to combat the illegal pet trade through awareness campaigns and stricter regulations on wildlife trafficking. Some species of Amazon parrots are listed as vulnerable or endangered, such as the yellow-faced parrot and the blue-fronted Amazon. Efforts to protect these birds include breeding programs in captivity, habitat restoration, and the creation of wildlife reserves where the parrots can live and breed safely. In addition to legal protection, conservationists are also working to protect the natural clay licks that are crucial for the parrot's health. Preserving these vital areas ensures that the parrots have access to the necessary resources to detoxify their food, a practice that has been integral to their survival for millennia. The Amazon parrot has long been admired by indigenous cultures throughout South America. These birds hold a special place in the mythology and traditions of many tribes in the Amazon basin, where they are seen as symbols of freedom, communication, and vitality. Their ability to mimic human speech is often viewed with awe, and in some cultures, it is believed that parrots carry messages between the human world and the spirit world. In modern times, the Amazon parrot continues to captivate people around the world. It is a symbol of the Amazon's biodiversity and an ambassador for wildlife conservation efforts. These parrots remind us of the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem and the importance of protecting it. Poison dart frog, small but deadly. The poison dart frog, a small but strikingly colorful amphibian, inhabits the lush rainforests of Central and South America, from the humid floors of the Amazon to the misty cloud forests of Costa Rica. Despite their tiny size, poison dart frogs are some of the most toxic creatures on Earth. Their vibrant, eye-catching colors serve as a warning to predators, signaling that they are not only beautiful, but also deadly. Physical appearance and warning colors. One of the most remarkable features of poison dart frogs is their vivid coloration. These frogs come in a variety of striking hues, including brilliant reds, blues, yellows, and greens. This dazzling display is a form of aposematism, a defense mechanism where bright colors are used to signal to potential predators that the animal is toxic or dangerous. The frog's skin contains potent toxins, which serve as a deterrent to any creature that might think twice about making a meal out of one of these small amphibians. The colors of poison dart frogs can vary depending on the species, but all are a warning to predators to keep their distance. For example, the golden poison dart frog, Philobates terribilis, is one of the most toxic species, with skin toxins that are strong enough to kill multiple humans. The poison is produced in their skin glands, making direct contact dangerous. Toxicity and diet. The primary source of a poison dart frog's deadly toxins comes from its diet. In the wild, these frogs feed on a variety of small invertebrates, including ants, termites, and other tiny insects that are rich in alkaloids. These toxins accumulate in the frog's skin, making them one of the most toxic animals relative to their size. Interestingly, poison dart frogs that are raised in captivity and fed a controlled diet of non-toxic insects lose their ability to produce these potent toxins. This fascinating change demonstrates the direct connection between their environment and their toxic properties. In the wild, the toxins act as a highly effective defense mechanism, protecting the frogs from predators like birds, lizards, and other animals that might otherwise attempt to consume them. The amount of poison varies between species, but some frogs have enough toxins to pose a significant threat. For example, The golden poison dart frog contains batrachotoxin, one of the most potent poisons known, which affects the nervous system and can lead to paralysis or death if ingested. Even a single gram of batrachotoxin can kill hundreds of mice, showcasing the frog's lethal potential. Behavior and reproduction. Despite their small size and lethal nature, poison dart frogs are not aggressive creatures. In fact, they spend most of their time quietly perched on the forest floor, hunting for food or hiding from potential threats. What truly sets them apart from many other amphibians is their remarkable parenting behavior. Males of most poison dart frog species are highly involved in the care of their offspring. After mating, the female lays her eggs on the forest floor, usually in damp, sheltered areas. The male then takes on the responsibility of guarding the eggs and keeping them moist. Once the tadpoles hatch, the male carefully transports them one by one to a water source, such as a pool of water in a tree hollow or a bromeliad, a type of plant that collects rainwater in its leaves. The male continues to guard the tadpoles and ensures they have enough water to survive. This unusual parental care is crucial for the survival of the young frogs, as the water they are placed in provides the ideal conditions for their growth and development. In some species, the male may even return to the water to feed the tadpoles with unfertilized eggs or small insects, further enhancing their chances of survival. Ecological role and conservation. Poison dart frogs play a vital role in their ecosystems. As insectivores, they help control populations of ants, termites, and other small invertebrates. By keeping these insect populations in check, they contribute to the balance of the rainforest's intricate food web. However, like many species in the rainforest, poison dart frogs face significant threats from habitat loss and environmental changes. Deforestation, climate change, and pollution are all contributing to the decline of these amphibians' populations. The loss of their natural habitats means fewer places for them to live, breed, and find food. Additionally, the illegal pet trade, where these frogs are often collected for their vibrant colors, further threatens their survival. Several species of poison dart frogs are currently listed as endangered or vulnerable, and efforts are being made to protect them. Conservation programs focus on preserving the rainforests where these frogs live, establishing protected areas, and promoting sustainable practices that reduce habitat destruction. Breeding programs in captivity also aim to help bolster populations and prevent the extinction of these unique amphibians. Jaguar, the ghost of the jungle. The jaguar, Panthera onca, stands as the undisputed apex predator of the Americas, renowned for its raw strength, stealth, and adaptability. As the largest cat in the Western Hemisphere, the jaguar embodies the power and mystery of the rainforests, savannas, and wetlands it inhabits. Its stealthy movements through the dense underbrush have earned it the nickname, the Ghost of the Jungle, a fitting title for a creature that can move silently and vanish into its environment with barely a trace. Physical characteristics and hunting techniques. Jaguars possess a robust and muscular build, designed for both power and agility. Their thick, short coat is typically adorned with beautiful rosettes, which serve as camouflage in the dappled light of the forest. With a strong, compact frame, jaguars are built for explosive power rather than speed. This physical structure allows them to take down large prey with a single strike. One of the jaguar's most remarkable attributes is its bite force, which is among the most powerful of any big cat. Jaguars have an incredibly strong jaw, capable of crushing the skulls or snapping the spines of their prey. Unlike lions or tigers, which typically go for the throat, jaguars often deliver a fatal bite directly to the skull or the back of the neck. This powerful bite allows them to hunt a wide range of prey, including capybaras, deer, caimans, and even turtles. Their ability to pierce the tough shells of turtles or crack the bones of larger prey makes them formidable hunters, as they are not restricted to the typical prey that other big cats rely on. Aquatic mastery, the jaguar's swimming skills. What truly sets the jaguar apart from other big cats is its remarkable swimming ability. While most big cats excel at hunting on land, the jaguar is uniquely adept in the water. It is one of the few large predators that regularly hunts in aquatic environments, making it a versatile and efficient hunter. The jaguar can navigate rivers, lakes, and marshes with ease, using its powerful muscles to swim across wide stretches of water in search of prey. Unlike lions or tigers, which prefer dry, land-based environments, jaguars embrace both land and water as part of their hunting strategy. They are known to stalk prey such as caimans, capybaras, and fish in aquatic settings. Often, they silently wade through water, taking advantage of the murky, low-visibility conditions to approach their prey unnoticed. In some instances, jaguars even swim across rivers to ambush prey from behind or to capture animals that may not expect a predator to strike from the water. This unique ability allows jaguars to thrive in their environment, giving them an edge over many other predators that are confined to land-based hunting. The jaguar's aquatic prowess is complemented by its incredible physical strength. It has the ability to overpower large prey in the water, just as it does on land. Whether it's hunting in murky waters or along riverbanks, the jaguar uses its keen senses and powerful jaws to capture and subdue its prey. Its strong bite, capable of piercing the skulls of its victims, ensures that no matter the environment, it remains a top predator. In addition to its skill in the water, the jaguar is also a proficient climber. It is capable of scaling trees with ease, using its sharp claws and powerful limbs to navigate through the dense rainforest canopy. This climbing ability provides jaguars with the option to hunt from elevated positions, ambushing prey from above. They also use trees for resting and to escape from potential threats. By resting in trees, they can avoid predators such as large reptiles or other big cats, which might be a threat to the jaguar's safety. The combinations of swimming ability, climbing skills, strength, and stealth makes the jaguar one of the most adaptable and dangerous predators in its habitat. It's not only an excellent hunter on land, but also a fearsome presence in aquatic environments. Whether stalking prey in the dense undergrowth or silently swimming through rivers, the jaguar's versatility in both environments gives it a significant advantage, allowing it to rule as one of nature's most efficient and powerful predators. Role in the ecosystem. Jaguars play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate the populations of prey species, such as capybaras, deer, and peccaries. By controlling these populations, jaguars help maintain balance in the ecosystem, preventing overgrazing and allowing plant life to flourish. The presence of jaguars is an indicator of a healthy, functioning ecosystem, as they are at the top of the food chain. Furthermore, the jaguar's predation on other large carnivores, such as smaller cats and coyotes, also ensures that the balance of predator populations remains intact. Their ability to take on large prey also means they help to keep herbivore numbers in check, which can indirectly affect the vegetation and biodiversity of their habitat. Threats to the jaguar's survival. Despite their dominance in the wild, jaguars face significant threats that are pushing them closer to extinction. The greatest threat to their survival is habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment. As human populations expand into the jaguar's territory, their forests, wetlands, and grasslands are destroyed for agriculture, logging, and urban development. The fragmentation of their habitat leaves jaguars with fewer places to roam, hunt, and mate, making them increasingly isolated in small patches of forest. Another major issue is the increase in human-wildlife conflict. As jaguars move closer to human settlements in search of food, they are more likely to come into contact with livestock, leading to conflict with farmers and ranchers. Jaguars are sometimes killed in retaliation for preying on cattle or other domesticated animals. This not only threatens the jaguar population, but also makes them more vulnerable to further persecution. Poaching and the illegal wildlife trade are also significant threats to the jaguar's survival. Jaguars are hunted for their beautiful pelts, which are highly prized on the black market. Additionally, their teeth and bones are sometimes used in traditional medicine or as trophies. These factors contribute to the slow but steady decline in jaguar populations across much of their range. Conservation efforts. In response to the threats faced by jaguars, several conservation initiatives have been launched to protect their habitats and ensure their survival. Organizations are working to create wildlife corridors that allow jaguars to travel between fragmented habitats, helping to maintain genetic diversity and ensure that populations remain viable. There is also a growing effort to protect key areas of jaguar habitat, such as national parks and protected reserves, to provide safe spaces for these cats to live and hunt without the pressure of human activity. Efforts are also being made to mitigate human-jaguar conflict. Livestock protection programs, such as the use of guard animals like dogs or innovative fencing, are being implemented to reduce the risk of jaguars preying on livestock. Additionally, education campaigns are helping local communities understand the importance of jaguars in maintaining the health of the ecosystem and the benefits of living alongside these magnificent creatures. Black caiman, the river's apex predator. The black caiman, Melanosuchus niger, is one of the most formidable and awe-inspiring predators in the Amazon rainforest, reigning supreme in the waterways of South America. As the largest of the caiman species, it can grow up to an impressive 6 meters in length, making it one of the largest crocodilian species in the world, known for its immense strength, patience, and stealth. The black caiman has earned its reputation as the apex predator of the Amazon's rivers, swamps, and lakes. Physical characteristics and hunting strategy. The black caiman is a massive reptile with a robust, muscular body and a long, powerful tail that helps it propel through the water with remarkable speed and agility. Its dark, almost black scales provide perfect camouflage in the murky, shadowy waters of the Amazon, where visibility is low and predators and prey alike must rely on other senses to navigate. The caiman's broad, heavily armored body allows it to move slowly and steadily, blending into its environment, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The caiman's hunting strategy is centered around patience. Often, it lies motionless in the water, partially submerged, allowing its body to blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment. It waits for prey to approach, often using its long, muscular tail to silently propel itself toward its target. Once it has locked onto its prey, the black caiman strikes with incredible speed and precision, using its powerful jaws to grasp its victim. With a bite force strong enough to crush bones, the caiman drags its prey underwater, where it performs the famous death roll, a deadly maneuver where the caiman spins rapidly in the water, disorienting and suffocating its victim. This deadly technique allows the caiman to break apart its prey, even if it is large, and consume it with ease. Black caimans are opportunistic feeders and will hunt a wide range of animals, from fish to mammals. They are known to prey on capybaras, birds, and even caimans of smaller species. Larger caimans, especially those living in more remote parts of the Amazon, may even target juvenile jaguars or anacondas. Though their size and strength make them dominant, their diet varies with the availability of prey, and they are not above scavenging if the opportunity arises. Dominance in the water. One of the most remarkable features of the black caiman is its dominance in the aquatic environment. While many predators rely on speed or agility to capture prey, the black caiman excels in ambush tactics, making it nearly impossible for its victims to escape once they enter its domain. It is equally adept at hunting both in deep waters and along the riverbanks. In fact, its ability to subdue large animals in aquatic environments, where many prey species are less mobile and more vulnerable, has solidified its position at the top of the food chain. In the water, the black caiman faces very few threats, but it is not entirely invincible. Jaguars, which are formidable predators in their own right, sometimes challenge the caiman's supremacy. Jaguars are known to be capable swimmers, and there are reports of them hunting and even killing black caimans, especially smaller individuals or juvenile caimans. Jaguars can pierce the caiman's tough hide with their powerful jaws, attacking the caiman's softer underbelly or throat. However, these encounters are rare, and the jaguar is one of the few animals that can successfully challenge a black caiman's dominance. Ecological role and importance. Despite its fearsome reputation as an apex predator, the black caiman plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of the Amazon ecosystem. As a top predator, it helps regulate the populations of various species, ensuring that no one prey species becomes too abundant or dominates the food chain. This regulation prevents overgrazing and helps maintain the diversity of plant and animal life within the rainforest. By controlling the populations of prey species such as fish, capybaras, and other mammals, black caimans help prevent these species from overpopulating the riverbanks and disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. This is essential for maintaining healthy riverine habitats, as many of these prey species also influence the health of aquatic plants and algae, which form the foundation of the entire food web. In addition, the black caiman's presence in the ecosystem indirectly supports other species. For example, by reducing the number of small herbivores, the caiman helps maintain plant diversity. When caimans scavenge on larger carcasses, they also help clean up the environment, preventing the spread of disease and promoting the recycling of nutrients back into the ecosystem. Threats to the black caiman and conservation efforts. Despite their powerful presence, black caimans face a number of threats that could jeopardize their populations. Habitat loss due to deforestation, pollution, and the expansion of human settlements has dramatically reduced their range. The Amazon River Basin, once a vast and untouched wilderness, is now increasingly affected by human encroachment, including logging, farming, and dam construction. These activities disrupt the caiman's natural habitat, making it harder for them to find suitable areas to hunt and breed. The illegal hunting of caimans for their skins, which are highly prized in the fashion industry, is another significant threat. While some countries have implemented protections and established regulated hunting programs, poaching remains a serious problem. Caiman skins are used to make leather products such as bags, shoes, and belts, and the demand for these goods fuels the illegal trade. However, conservationists are working to protect the black caiman through a combination of habitat preservation, sustainable practices, and legal protections. Many national parks and protected areas now include black caiman habitats, and in some areas, efforts to reintroduce and safeguard wild populations are beginning to show positive results. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has recognized the need to protect the black caiman, and efforts are being made to reduce hunting and ensure their habitat is preserved. The Amazon is a realm of unparalleled biodiversity, where every creature plays a role in the cycle of life. However, deforestation, climate change, and human encroachment threaten this fragile paradise. Protecting its wildlife is crucial to ensuring that the echoes of jaguar roars, the flutter of parrot wings, and the silent hunts of anacondas continue for generations to come.